let's take a look at how you can conduct various types of searches for flights, accommodation, and visas and book them through Travnet Tech CRM. First, if you click on the search section of the blue menu bar on top of your page, it will bring you to the search page of CRM. Here you will see 5 sections: flights, stays, transfers, attractions, and visa. We will now see the step-by-step booking method for flights, stays, and visas among them. There are a few subsections of the flights section. One can book flights to only travel from one destination to another through one way. However, selecting return will allow the passenger to book tickets to the return flight back to the starting destination. For both of these subsections, you have to select options on flying from, flying to, departure date, and airline fields. In addition to these, the return will also have a field to select the return date. The multi-city subsection is slightly different as one can select multiple destinations for traveling. For each of the destinations the passenger wants to travel to, the flying from, flying to, and departure date must be selected. All 3 of these subsections have a field where the number of passengers, that is the number of adults, kids, and infants, and the seat type need to be specified. After filling out all the required fields, click on the Search Flights button, and a list of all available flights with details will appear on the screen. On the left side of the page, you will notice more options and checkboxes to get more customized search results. On the bottom right corner of the list, you can view the price of the flight you selected from the list. Now you can either add this flight to the cart or share the information with another party via email. To purchase the ticket, you have to click on the Add button next to the price of the ticket. Then you will be taken to a page with flight details. Here you can recheck the passenger information. In the contact details section, you can either book the ticket or use your company balance to purchase it. On the right side of the page, right below the price of the flight, you will notice the Add More products, below which you can find hotels, transfers, etc. to add to the itinerary as per your client's demand. Finally, you can finalize your booking and create a folder by clicking on the red Confirm Now button at the bottom of the page. On the GDS search subsection of flights, you need to select a GDS, select the number of adults, children, and infants who will be traveling. Select the seat type, paste the source code you have copied from the GDS in the following text field, and click on the Search Source button to obtain the GDS file. Next, you can book hotel rooms in the Stays section. First, select the hotel or destination, check-in and check-out dates, the number of rooms and occupants, and the guest nationality. Then click on the Search Hotel button. A list of all available hotel rooms with prices will appear on the screen. There is an Add button on the right side, below which you will find more prices and options. Clicking on this will provide you with a list of all available rooms in that hotel. Select the room meeting the guest requirements and click the Add button. Then a page of hotel room details will appear on your screen. Few hotels do not have the option to book the room. In that case, you will have to pay for the room using your company balance. On the right side of the page, right below the price of the hotel room, you will notice the Add More products, below which you can find flights, transfers, etc. to add to the itinerary as per your client's demand. Finally, you can finalize your booking and create a folder by clicking on the red Confirm Now button at the bottom of the page. Lastly, we will check out the visa section where you can check the status of visa application of a particular applicant by filling out the required fields with the applicant's information, then clicking the Submit button. Furthermore, as additional information, you will find a list of all items looked up on the search page in the Search History section of menu bar's Interface section. You will also find a list of all items booked in the Booking List section of menu bar's Interface section.